In the last video, we ceramic coated all these black parts and they came out amazing. I think I have found the best products to do the roof in and the interior and the other rubber parts. Links will be in the description below to these items. Okay, this here's the product that you want to use on the exterior. I did the freedom panels, well, the whole roof actually. I don't know if my camera's picking it up. I did this side. I've not done the passenger side yet. Stuff's pretty simple to use. Spray it onto a clean surface and rub it off with a microfiber. Next up, I've got the rubber seal protectant. I've been putting it on the rubber seals. I stopped here. The stuff looks promising. Hopefully it's better than what I've been using. There's just so many rubber parts around here. You know, I've had the Camaros and Firebirds where this stuff cracks and you start getting leaks under the T-tops. I'm not sure how these freedom panels are, but I'm sure this can't help. I've got a few vehicles here that will benefit from this stuff. You know, the more I apply this, the more I realize how much rubber there is on a Gladiator. It's just everywhere. It's in the doors, it's up here, it's on the freedom panels. Last but not least is the interior UV protectant. I've always been an Armor All guy. I don't know if this is actually that much better, but a lot of people swear by it. Here's an area I've done versus an area I have not done. It's not greasy. There's no streaks. So far, I like it. Time will tell. All right, the Jeep is super clean now. Hopefully it's got some nice UV protection. I feel like it brightened up the black on the black parts. I'll try to follow up with this in a few months and let everybody know how it held up.